Hello guys, welcome to We Move, where we move maths. Today we have a beautiful problem that we are going to move since we move maths here. So if we are given that r plus s is equals to a and r minus 2s is equals to b, prove that rs is equals to a squared minus b squared is equals to a. Okay, so now we are given, this is what we are given, rs plus 2s is equals to a, rs minus 2s is equal to that. Then we have to prove this. So what is the first thing that we think? Like when we look into the equation that we're supposed to prove, we must look into something that like we can do, something that we can do on this thing that like will lead us into this. Now that like let me write what I have. Let me write what I have. We start with what we have so that we get what we don't have. R plus 2s is equal to a. Then I also have r minus 2s. It is equals to b. So I need rs. I don't have rs. I need a squared. I don't have a squared. I need b squared. I don't have b squared. I need 8. I don't have 8. But I can get a squared and I can get b squared. What do? I square the a so that I have the a squared. But no. What I do on the left is what I do also on the right. So since I did this thing on the right, I must also do it on the left. Then I square both sides. So I'm gonna have also on this side, I'm gonna have r squared plus 4 rs plus 4 s squared, which is equals to a squared. This is because of like what we do when we have like our quadratic equation, like when it is in this form. I square the first term, then after squaring the first term I say 2. These 2 times times this one, which give me 2 times 2, it is 4 times rs. Then after I also square this term, then I get like what, 4s squared. So similarly, if I do the very same thing, I apply the very same thing, I'm gonna square this equation on both sides. Similarly, then I'm gonna have what? R squared minus 4rs plus 4s squared, which is equals to b squared. But okay, now I see what I have. I have my a squared and my b squared, which I'm looking for. I'm happy now that I have something. But I don't have 8. I don't have r. No, I don't have rs. I just realized that. So since I have my rs, then I must note it down. Like, let me note it down. I have my rs now. I have my rs somewhere here. But it has a decoration, a 4 decoration there. I must deal with it. So now let us go into solving that. So I know that like I have a squared and b squared, but like a negative sign is here. It means that like I must say a squared minus b squared. These are both on the right side, so I'm gonna write them on the right side of the equation. Then what happens? We know that a squared is equivalent to this. So in the place of a squared, I'm just gonna write r squared plus 4rs plus 4s squared minus, this represent a. That's why I wrote it. It is the same as this one. It represents a. So then I'm gonna say I open a big bracket, or yeah, a big bracket, whatever you call it. Then I put my b. Here is my b. The parentheses, we have them. And then I'm gonna write r squared minus 4rs plus 4s squared. So what do I do now? I do my algebra. I look at the like terms. This one and this one are like terms. This one and this one are like terms. This one and this one are like terms. So since these ones are squared, they are friends, I can see that this one can subtract this one. I'm happy now. That because of when I look into my equation that I must prove, I know that I don't have r squared. So I'm happy. Then I have 4rs minus, this minus becomes positive. Then it's gonna be what? 8rs. Okay, interesting, but I don't know what's gonna happen next. Let's watch out. Then this one and this one, it seems like they're gonna destroy each other. Then I'm gonna have 8rs equals to a squared minus b squared. So what do I do now? I can divide on both sides with 8. Then I'm gonna have rs equals to a squared minus b squared divided by 8. So that's how we solve a problem. Like you break it down, you break it down. Then after breaking it down, you build from the breaking downs. You build. Don't be intimidated by a question. Then after you build, then you can bring something out of it. Break it into components until you get to the solution. This is our solution. Thank you.